Welcome back, Chicken Chow Mein. For this recipe, you're going to need lucky boat noodles, 1 onion, 1 spring onion, 1 handful of bean sprouts, 1 cooked chicken breast, and some dark soy sauce, some blended sesame oil, table salt, Chinese Shaoxing Wine, ground white pepper, and the curry's already made. So heat your wok. You're going to need quite a bit of oil, maybe 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Make sure that your wok is piping hot. Then add in your chopped onion, sliced onion, diced onion. Anyway, so add in your cooked chicken. Then you want to add in your bean sprouts. That's about a handful of bean sprouts. Then you're going to toss it all about just like this. So you want to cook your onions, bean sprouts, and your chicken for around 30 seconds. And then you're going to add in a handful of your lucky boat noodles. I'll put everything in the description of this video so you know where to buy the stuff. You're going to need plenty dark soy sauce for this. Plenty dark soy sauce. Then you will need table salt to taste. Once you've added your dark soy sauce, stir that all around. Add more salt to taste, whatever. Usually I use about 1/4 teaspoon. You can use whatever you like. Stir your noodles, your chickens, your bean sprouts, your onions round together. Mix them all. Cook them for maybe 30-40 seconds. Then toss. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you like it, and comment. Nobody ever comments. Oh, that's a curry sauce is ready for later. Now, once you start seeing the noodles going brown, they're nearly ready. You want to add in a splash of Shaoxing Wine. I like plenty of Shaoxing Wine. It's loads of flavour. Chinese takeaways don't use much of it because it's so expensive. Then you want to add in a splash of sesame oil. Sesame oil. Head's not working right. Then throw in your spring onions. Toss them all about. Love the spring onions. And then we're ready to serve. Ooh. So, sorry about all the shaky movements in the video. I'm having the video and talk at the same time these days. Mrs. Chang, she's falling at me. She's refusing to do anything at all. Add in your curry sauce. Loads, more, plenty curry, top and bottom.